So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to turn on a skateboard. A little bit ago, I had a question from someone that I know that has been watching my videos. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I think it's cool that you think it's cool that skateboarding is cool. My friend Nebby asked me, hey, how do you turn on a skateboard? Well, let's go outside and I'll show you how to do that. So what you have to know is certain parts of the skateboard. You have the wheels and you have the trucks. Your trucks are going to be the ones that are going to allow you to turn on the skateboard. Now, it's not only that, it's also your body weight. To turn on a skateboard, depending on how much you weigh, you may want to loosen your trucks or you may want to tighten your trucks. So it's really all just personal preference if you want your trucks tightened or loosened. But if you do weigh a little less, then you may want to loosen the trucks. And if you weigh a little bit more, then you might want to tighten the trucks. But again, it's all personal preference. So the next step is to move the board. So what you're going to do is you're going to push off and start riding the skateboard. Once you do that, you want to shift your body weight left or right while moving. And when you do that, notice how the skateboard is now going to the left or it's going to the right, depending on what direction you are leaning. So that's only one way that you can turn on a skateboard. There is a couple other ways that you can turn on a skateboard, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you that as well. So the other option of turning on a skateboard is called Tic Tacking. So instead of using your body weight, you are going to lift the front truck up, pivot your body to either the left or to the right. Now, this takes a little practice because you do have to have a little bit more balance with your body as you lift the front truck up and putting that front truck back down. That is how you turn on a skateboard. There's two different styles, boom and boom. So practice, practice, practice. That's the only way that you will be perfect at it. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm gonna peace out for now. It's been real. Keep it real. Deuces.